In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an account from Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this process using the standard Microsoft account settings, which is where Microsoft actually manages your profile and account status. By the end, you'll know how to get from the Teams interface to the option to close your Microsoft account that's linked to Teams. Let's start inside Microsoft Teams. Open Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed in with the account you want to remove. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might show your initials or a profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down that appears, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new tab in your browser and take you to the main Microsoft account website for the account you're currently using in Teams. If you're prompted to sign in again, use the same credentials you use for Teams. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, you'll see several tabs and options along the top. Here, you want to find and click on the section labeled Your Info. This is a central place where Microsoft stores your personal details, security information, and overall account status. After the Your Info page loads, scroll through the content and look for the option that says Close Account. It's usually presented as a link or button within the account management area. Click on Close Account to begin the process of closing the Microsoft account associated with your Teams profile. At this stage, Microsoft will typically guide you through a series of confirmation screens. While we won't go beyond the click itself in this walkthrough, be aware that closing a Microsoft account can affect access to other Microsoft services tied to that same login, such as Outlook, OneDrive, or other apps. Before you finalize anything, it's a good idea to back up any important files, emails, or data connected to this account, and make sure you're not using it for subscriptions or purchases you still need. To quickly recap, you open Teams, click your profile icon, choose My Microsoft Account, then on the Microsoft account page, go to